Hi, I'm Jason. For years, laser companies have tried to impress with the big numbers and the stronger specs. But at xTool, we believe the real breakthrough isn't just power. It's about effortlessly mastering that power, turning your greatest ambitions into reality.
We rarely talk about this, but behind every laser creation, you might encounter tedious manual focusing, inaccurate design alignment, and bad height adjustment. It's that feeling of uncertainty every time you press start. We know this steals your most valuable asset, creativity itself. And so, autofocus arrived. The auto lift base appeared. These innovations were great. They solved specific problems. But they were like isolated island of intelligence, with no collaboration. You were still the operator connecting every step, bearing all the risk, instead of being a pure creator. We believed this wasn't enough. After 2 years of focused R&D, we found the answer. And today, I'm proud to introduce the future of making, the xTool automated creation system, launching with our new flagship, xTool P3. ACS is not a single feature, but unified workflow that seamlessly integrates perceptions, computation, and execution. It all begins with the ACS visual perception system. We have fused 2 HD cameras with a high-precision LiDAR sensor. Together, they instantly measured material thickness, identified material's position, and provide a clear, full-bed live preview with minimal distortion. And for the first time ever, the top-mounted high-precision sky view camera enables an accurate full-area preview when using automatic pass-through, saving your significant time and material. Next, a powerful onboard processing unit takes over the data. For the first time, we have equipped the chip with its own NPU. It performs complex image analysis and powers the new EasySet 2.0 to automatically fill in optimal parameters. The system can even run a result simulation, giving you a high-fidelity preview of the final effect. Finally, the system translates all commands into precise mechanical actions. The fully auto-lift base executes accurately. Everything is handled automatically by ACS. All you need to do is place your material, close the lid, and press start.
Now, what happens when great intelligence meets industrial power? First comes uncompromising performance. We equipped the P3 with a powerful 80-watt CO2 laser tube, xTool's largest working area, and a high-speed motion system capable of 1200 mm per second. This means greater efficiency and more powerful cutting ability. But true industrial-grade performance is defined by sustained, stable output. That's why we built in an inverter water chiller, a feature typically reserved for large industrial machines, to cool down the CO2 glass tube. It ensures the P3 maintains stable, non-degrading power through high-intensity, long-duration, continuous work. This is our promise of bringing industrial-grade performance to the desktop, not just powerful, but durable and reliable. When this effortless intelligence is combined with such reliable, industrial-grade performance, the P3 transcends being just a machine. It becomes the automated business accelerator. For the aspiring entrepreneur, the P3 means opportunity. You don't need to be an engineer. The ACS system flattens the learning curve. At the same time, its industrial-grade performance means you can deliver the professional quality products from day one, giving you the most reliable and powerful productivity right from the start.
We know that all great ambitions are built on a foundation of safety for your peace of mind. That's why the P3's protection is multi-layered. It's monitored by 8 flash sensors, a temperature sensor, and a dual-side cameras for intelligent, full-bed visual detection that even extends into the waste tray to provide early warnings. In the rare event of a flare-up, a built-in CO2 cylinder activates instantly. Meanwhile, the new industry-grade Safety Pro AP2 Max air purifier protects your house during heavy-duty laser work. All of this exists, so you can create with total focus and complete confidence. The P3 is our workhorse that continuously evolves with OTA updates, and its potential will only grow. We are proud to deliver it to you to help open up a world of creative possibilities. That is the very meaning of the xTool brand. The P3 is the first product of this new era, and we are only getting started.